Are you facing slow performance, viruses, or hardware issues? Fix My Computer Bonita Springs has the expertise and tools to tackle all your computer problems efficiently. Forget the hassle of traveling. Our experts come directly to your home or office, providing convenient in-home and office repairs tailored to your schedule. Worried about repair costs? We offer competitive rates that fit your budget, ensuring high-quality service without breaking the bank. Get a free estimate today. Every repair is customized to meet your specific needs. Whether it's data recovery, software troubleshooting, or hardware upgrades, we provide personalized solutions for every issue. Ready to fix your computer? Contact us to schedule your repair. Say goodbye to frustrating issues and hello to smooth, efficient performance. Our expert technicians, fast service, and reliable solutions make us the top choice for computer repair in Bonita Springs. Experience the difference with our dedicated team. Call us now at 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputerbonitaspringsfell.com for more information. Don't wait. Let us handle your computer problems so you can return to work or play with peace of mind. Call today.